Make sure I'm filming this time. Last time I did this, walked for 2 minutes without realizing I hadn't filmed anything. I've never really come down this far before. I think I'm okay for snakes today because shouldn't be any snakes today. No, it's this cool out. Oh, about spiders, I don't know. Tree limbs. Anyways, pretty cool shot down through here. You know, pardon me opening. You know what, I'll just do it like this today. Here's your moment of zen. What's crazy is I've been over this bridge 1,000 times. I've never stopped to do this. A big rain this year, big flood down through here. That storm that wrecked the mountains came through and dumped a bunch of water on us too. Not as much as the mountains, of course, but it did all this.